So in this video I will be talking about an update related to Nokia 7 Plus. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Nokia 7 Plus, which was one of the first handsets by the firm to sport 18:9 aspect ratio display, is the first Nokia device to get the OS version that is around 1.4 GB in size. It is worth mentioning that Nokia 7 Plus was also the handset that was a part of the Android Pie beta this year. The update brings new system navigation, settings menu, and notification design along with some battery saving features. The brightness levels have also been optimized now. In addition, Android 9.0 Pie update brings camera version 9.0 with a new user interface, Google Lens and Google Motion integration. So if you are a user of Nokia 7 Plus, go and update. The file size is around 1.4 GB. So go fast and update it. The Android 9 Pie is so good. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you, please hit on the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.